Are you trying to play FIFA 23 on PC and your controller keeps showing as controller 2? If you're having this issue and you have done so many things, you have tried to fix it so many ways, download DS4 and all that, and it didn't work, you see what I'm trying to say, you see everything I'm trying to say. I only have one part available here. I'm going to connect it right now, then play the game and see if it shows as controller 1 or controller 2. Okay, now you can see the game is showing controller 2, my pad is showing controller 2. Meanwhile, I only have one pad connected to this PC. So I know what you guys are facing and this is what you're passing through. So the first thing to do right now is to quit the game. Yeah, once you turn on your PC and you're showing controller 2, quit the game. Then let's head back to DS4. Quit the DS4 as well. Quit all the applications running. Quit it, then follow the step I'll show you right now. Okay, now the next thing to do right now is to go back to DS4, locate where your DS4 is, or you can just search it here. Open it, run it as administrator. Don't just open it, run it as administrator. Open it as administrator. Once you open it as administrator, go to settings on your DS4. You will see this hide DS4 controller. Click on it. Once you click on it, go back to your FIFA 23, launch the game, and you are good to go. So let's try it and see. You can see now it's now showing as controller 1. Yeah, so that's how you fix it. If this worked for you, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and if it's not working for you, let me know so that I can also bring out some other methods that also works. So see you guys. Thanks for watching.